To bond two controllers, first connect an Ethernet cable to the first controller. Then connect the Ethernet cable to the second controller. Enter the Advanced Settings mode by pressing and holding the back button until TS, or temperature set point, displays on the screen. Use the up and down arrows to navigate until BND, or bond, appears. Press and hold Enter until the red indicator starts flashing. Release the Enter button. Within a few seconds, the display should read PAS, or pass. You have now successfully bonded the two units. Both units will now reset and continue operation. Be sure to check the set points on both units to confirm they are the same. To unbond two controllers, enter the Advanced Settings mode by pressing and holding the back button until TS, or temperature set point, displays on the screen. Use the up and down arrows to navigate until UNB, or unbond, appears. Press and hold Enter until the red indicators start flashing. Release the Enter button. You have successfully unbonded the units. For more information and support materials, visit our ESP support page on the KeepRite website at k-rp.com/ESP.